Sumo squat pulse. So this move can very easily be a challenge body weight. You don't necessarily need to add any weights in to make it hard. You can if you really want to, but it's not a requirement. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like without a weight, and then I'll show you super quick what it looks like with a weight, because I'm pretty sure you already know what I'm talking about. But find your way into your sumo squat stance. So you're gonna turn your toes out 45 degrees. Remember, we're at a pizza angle, not at a duck feet angle, right? We don't wanna turn all the way out to the walls, or else your hips are gonna be wide open. It's gonna make it really hard on your low back and likely on your hips as well. So we're gonna come all the way down. Knees are pointing the same direction as the toes. We're gonna bring ourselves down, pulling to the tailbone. So what happens a lot in a sumo squat is I will see people go like this. We'll lean back, push the tailbone back, and drop the chest in, which is okay. It's a good sign that you have really tight hips if that's where you're at today. So just pay attention to your body. If you're struggling with that, recognize just don't go quite as low, okay? If you're automatically falling back, I want you to stay high. That might mean you stop here, pretty high. That's all good. Stay high so that you're not gonna pull out that pressure in your low back. Now, if you can, we're gonna tuck the core in so that you're gonna bring the tailbone underneath you, already squeezing the butt cheeks. You wanna have some dimples going on down there. And then you're gonna pull yourself down to the bottom. Think elevator to the crown of your skull, back up and back down. With a pulse, this is our range of motion. We're coming from the bottom, started from the bottom, now we're here. Starting from the bottom, okay? So 90 degrees, that's where I'm at. If you don't have that hip mobility, that's okay. And you're gonna come about 45 degrees from wherever you are. Come back down. So you're gonna be working the groin, the adductors, quads, and really just a whole lot of everything going on down here. So this is your squat, sumo squat pulse. Now if you wanna add a weight in, you are welcome to. You're gonna open to the chest, elbows glued to the rib cage, and you're going in and out. You're just adding in extra weight to make this more of a challenge if it does not feel like it's a challenge for you and your strength currently. All right, that is your sumo squat pulse, my friends. Let's build up some solid legs.